Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Katora K coming back with you with a new video. And today's video is going to be all about this bad boy right here, this baby. So for those of you that don't know, I do and I am subscribed to FabFitFun, and I have received their beautiful, gorgeous boxes every season. So far I've gotten 3. One was for spring, summer, and then this is my third one, which is the autumn box. And I really enjoy their subscription because they give me a lot of amazing products. They introduced me to a lot of different brands as well, and it's also about a lifestyle, so I really love that I'm able to incorporate the products within this box with my lifestyle, and knowing that it can help out with whatever it is that I may want to target with myself. And we'll get into that soon, but I just wanted to talk to you guys more about the box. Those of you that don't know, this box is filled with product that's over $200. I think it's either over $200 or up to $200, but you pay a monthly subscription of $49.99. Those of you that do sign up for your first box, you end up paying $39.99, which is amazing because you're getting things that are worth over $200 in this box, and they're full-size products, and you're only paying $39.99. It's not a monthly subscription, it's seasonal, so you don't pay $49.99 every month. You pay it once the season is going to transition over into a new one, which is what I love. What I also love a lot about this box are the artwork, because you can actually keep this as storage. You can have this on the outside, and then like there's also other artwork that you can actually turn it inside out for a different type of art style, how you're feeling, for your storage if you do want to keep them. And I also like that they, with whatever I guess your subscription box and the money that goes towards it, they also raise money and give money to different organizations. So for this season, there is the City of Hope. Hopefully that one gets a little clear for you. But it's the City of Hope, and the City of Hope charity is, I'm just reading from the magazine because I really thought this was amazing, and I forgot to tell you guys about the one in the summer, but that one was also with Eva Longoria, the Eva Longoria Foundation and Global Gift Foundation, and they raised so much money, and it was for change, which I thought was beautiful. And since I am a millennial, and I'm a millennial shopper, I always like to put my money towards things where I know that it's going to go back for something good. So I like to do good. I love companies that have great CSR, which is consumer, oh my gosh, oh, did I forget what CSR is? I forgot. It's honestly at the tip of my tongue. I'll just put the words down here and what CSR is for those of you that aren't marketing majors or don't work in the marketing field, which I should kind of be ashamed that I forgot that. But going back, their charity for this season is City of Hope, and it's Beyond Finding a Cure. City of Hope is an organization that's dedicated to finding a cure for cancer and other deadly illnesses, while also positively impacting patients' lives during and after treatment. I find that to be very beautiful, and I'm happy that this box is in support of that for this season. Wow, I'm really at loss for words, you guys. Sorry, it's been a while since I've been in front of the camera. And the artwork as well. That's another thing that I love about FabFitFun. They always have different artists that curate their artwork designs for the box in itself. So for this season, their box artist is Cecilia Castelli, and she's from Italy. She's an Italian illustrator, and her artwork consists of flat and minimal illustrations that include clean lines, soft forms, and bright colors. So as you can see, clean lines, soft forms, bright colors, and very minimal. I'm also a graphic designer as well, for those of you guys that don't know. So I also very much enjoy artwork. I'm a graphic designer and fine artist, but I love paint more than graphic design. It's a whole big thing. Maybe in another video I can talk to you guys about that. But yeah, I love knowing that this company also supports artists and women artists as well, because the art world is very small and sometimes it could be very hard for you to break in, especially as a female artist. So that's the box. Now, to get in on all the goods that I received this season, I'm gonna start off with something that I was actually very excited to get and that I wanted, because I was eyeing it when I saw like their little advert for this season online. And it is the ta-da! It is the Kate Spade lunch tote. And I just love that it says out for lunch here. It's so adorable, and I'm gonna be using this all the time. Now, when I said lifestyle and help changing lifestyle and what you do, I work in the city and I eat out every day. Let's put it that way. Every day, every waking day. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, sometimes dinner, I'm always eating out, and I'm spending like $15 plus per meal, which is insane, right? Like, money does not grow on trees. I work hard for my money. I don't need to spend it on food, even though the majority of my money does go on food. That being said, because I am a major hashtag foodie, I love to eat food, and I figured that this would be the perfect thing for me to have, because all I have to do is make lunch at home and bring it into the office, or bring it in wherever I'm going. Even if I'm just going for like a walk on the weekend to a museum, to the Met, I can just pack lunch and not have to spend so much money outside. Like, it's gonna help me save money and help my lifestyle, the lifestyle that I want to achieve by saving. But I find it to be an amazing size lunch pail. Like, it's pretty deep, pretty spacious, so I can add some stuff in here, definitely. And Kate Spade is one of my favorite designers for accessories and clothing and handbags, shoes, everything. I love her, and I love her brand and what she left behind, so I'm totally happy for this. The next thing that I received is an Amika flat iron, or what they call the Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. Basically, it says, have a good hair day every day. The 100% ceramic plates generate safe and even heat for shiny, smooth hair, which is what I like. It goes up to temperature 450, and it's just a really cute peachy pink straightener. As most of you guys do know, I do have natural hair, and I actually am on a no heat challenge for this entire year. I'm trying not to straighten my hair for an entire year. I want it to grow out and see exactly what I can do with it. So I will be using this. I won't be using this very soon, but my mom will use it because my mom's hair is still relaxed, so she can get some usage out of this before me, which is cool because she's my mama. Right. The next thing that I got is the Skin Love Body Boost Gel. That's what it looks like. And basically, this is a gel stimulant, methanol and green tea, tone, firm, smooth, pre-workout activator. So you basically put this on any targeted areas, whether it's your stomach, abs, glutes, thighs, arms, bicep, wherever it is that you may feel you have extra body fat, and you just put that on. And I guess as you work out, it'll tingle before, and as you're working out, it'll kind of help, I guess, burn all that extra fat, which is pretty cool because I do have a little pooch on my tum and I'm trying to get rid of that, so I'll definitely be using this. The next thing that I also received is the Cosmetics, I hope I'm saying that correctly, Pure Seed Vitamin C Mixing Crystals, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that clearly, but it's a vitamin C, like a vitamin C powder, skin brightening like powder basically, and you add it to your nighttime serum or moisturizer, and you just add it on your face. It's a pure ascorbic acid L, so it'll just brighten and just even your skin if you have any discoloration on your face. Okay, so then the next things that I received that I'm really excited about is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, which is something that I'm excited to use. This is what it looks like. And you just put them underneath your eyes, and I'm not too sure what they do. It's a hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect. So if you have any puffiness under your eyes, I'm guessing this will help replump it and cool it. That way your skin isn't drying out to cause that puffiness. And I believe 5 of these sachets come in this packet, so that's good. I also received an Aveda, which I love Aveda. I use this when my hair was relaxed. I used to use this product a lot, and I actually did get some Aveda products from BeautyCon when I went to LA last month, and I didn't upload that video. I probably should, right, so you guys know what I got in there. But I did get their Sap Moss shampoo and conditioner, and I used it in my hair, and my hair was so soft, so moisturized. Loved it. Well, I received the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair Instant Visible Repair Treatment for my hair. So it's a leave-in treatment, which is great. And I just comb it through, and because I have colored ends, the ends of my hair are pink, they are damaged because some of it doesn't curl back up. The ends of my hair. Anyway, this should work with me trimming it and using this. Hopefully it'll help repair my damaged ends and I don't have to worry about it anymore. Next thing I got was a Humankind skincare with conscience. It's vegan and cruelty-free body souffle, which is so cool because I'm really into vegan stuff now, even eating vegan. So trying to cut the meat out of my lifestyle as much as possible. But what is this? It's just a moisturizer. It's a souffle, super moisturized souffle for your skin that you can use if you have extremely dry skin. Last but not least, I did receive the Harper & Ari plus Ari exfoliating sugar cubes. And what is this one? This one is a juice cleanse. What? Take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. That's what I got. But the darndest thing is I also received the same thing at BeautyCon, but it's a different flavor. This one is, I don't even know if it has a scent. Let me smell it. Oh my god. It smells like watermelon and Sour Patch and like lemon and lime. It smells amazing. I think the other one I got is like grapefruit or something. But I'm happy I have another one of these as well. That way I can use it, and I love body scrubs. Anything to get the dead skin cells off and to help me with my skin and returning those skin cells over so my healthy and new skin cells appear and my skin looks radiant and bright as ever is something that I always want for my skin, and I always want to look that way. She's looking young and fresh. And then of course I get, like, you know, my little 80%, not 80%, my $80 off of the HelloFresh gift card, and, you know, a little invitation for someone that wants to join FabFitFun and the lifestyle magazine, the FabFitFun magazine. So that's what I got for this season, FabFitFun box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you want me to do any type of review on anything that I received in this box, or just any reviews at all, whether it's fashion, clothing, or skincare, hair stuff. Just let me know and I will of course accommodate what it is that y'all are asking for. Okay, so have an amazing week, stay positive, be happy, and just do you. All right, peace out, bye.